In this video, I'm going to show you class members in C#. So we have already created object and class in C#. So let's see the class members, CLASS class MEMBRS class members. So let's create one class student, and if I create the student ID, that's integer int ID comma string name. And if I create the another function name, wait my function. So if you see here, this ID and name are the field, FIELD field. This is field, and this is also FIELD field. And this is the members, MEMBERS. This is the members. So this all things inside these two curly braces are the class members, and if we distinguish between the fields and members, then ID and name, this is if we create the variables ID and name, then this is the field, and if we can call the function as this is method, not members, this is method. So if I create the main function here, static void main string args, we need to make the ham capital, and then if I create the object of this student class, then student, st is equals to new student, student student. So student is equals to new student. And if I want to access the value of ID or name, I can assign the value of ID as 5, and I can give some message inside this function. So this is my FU and student function. And okay. Now if I want to access my ID of that class, then just type st.id. Let's type console right line st.id. And if I want to call the function, then I can write here the st.myFunction. So in this way, you can call the function and you can access the ID. So if I press on the run button, then you can see 5, and this is my function. So in this way, you can create the class members. So these are the fields, and this is method, and inside the class, all things inside the class are the class members. And we can create the object of that class, and we can access their properties, that is the fields and method, into main functions, and we can execute this program. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.